How to turn off inverted camera on FaceTime. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn off inverted camera on FaceTime. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to head over to your settings, and once you're in your settings, you're going to search for the camera option. So if you're not able to find camera, you can simply head over to the search bar and type in camera. And then once you click on camera, you'll be redirected to an interface like this. You'll be able to see various options. So you're going to scroll down till you find the option of composition. Here, just above view outside the frame, you'll be able to see the option of mirror front camera. So you're going to simply toggle it on. So once you toggle it on, the inverted camera feature will be turned off. So if it is toggled off, that means your inverted camera will be there. And if you toggle it on, that means the mirror front camera is on and the turn off inverted camera is also on. So that's it for today's tutorial. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.